Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to sell digital products in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. But yeah, guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead to the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your Shopify account. And after logging into your Shopify account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options you can use for managing your store at the left side of the screen, such as the home section, guys. You can see your orders, products, customers, and so on. So guys, let's say that you want to start selling a digital product on your Shopify store. The first thing is to go ahead and add that product to your store. So we're going to go ahead and click the products option right here. And now we can go ahead and add a new product or even edit an existing one. But I'm going to go ahead and add a product right here in the upper right corner by clicking add product. And now we can see what we can add. Let's say we want to add a game. And let's say that we want to make it digital. So guys, to be a digital product, all we have to do is basically just create it like a normal product, but we are going to remove shipping. So scroll down until you find shipping right here and remove shipping. So as you can see, customers want to enter shipping details at checkout to learn how to set up your store for digital products or services. So if you open this up, it will help you and give you instructions. Basically, guys, just go ahead and remove shipping. We're going to go ahead and save that product and add it to our website. As you can see, we have successfully added game. So as you can see in the website, it now says to download digital apps. So what you want to do is either download this digital app they have recommended, or just go ahead and search for apps in your website. Go ahead, guys, and click on apps, and then click on Shopify App Store. Here, guys, now we can go ahead and after clicking Shopify App Store, search for digital download so that we will be able to provide download links for our products. So as you can see, we have multiple applications. They have recommended us to use this one right here. And basically, it's going to allow us to enter a download link for our products so that people will be able to download it after buying. But yeah, guys, basically those are the steps you need to follow. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.